Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Check this out. If you have an older Honda, you know what this looks like. These keys are so flimsy, they break apart pretty easily. My wife a few years ago got two of these made at the dealership, and they charged her $280 for two keys. I was not pleased. And it's already breaking, so I had to like glue it already. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this for around $7. All right, guys, start off by removing this little tiny screw right here. And once you do that, this one's already off. Just lift off on one side. Oh, the key fell off. And unhinges from over here, so. And now you have this key fob part. Some of these have the transponder to start the car separate. So you have another piece over here, but this is all in one piece. So we don't need this anymore. And these are your shells for your new keys. That's what they look like. Two of these cost 14 bucks on Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. So it comes with a little key to put in the screws. Okay. All right. So these are some shims, the plastic shims. So the key, when you put in the key, like that, if it's loose, you're gonna put the shims in, and then these are the screws, okay? So this is pretty simple to do. You're just gonna put the transponder thing in here. Just clips in place like that. And then you're gonna put the key in, okay? And just put this on there. And put your screws, okay? Now, the keys are a little loose, so we're gonna put some of these shims in there. Let's see if I could open this. These bags are so hard to open. Just rip it apart. All right, so it comes with 1, 2, these are hard to see, 4 shims. We're gonna throw some shims on here. I don't know how many I'm gonna need, but I'm just gonna put 2 on here, see what happens. Okay. All right, that's a little tighter, but still not tight enough, so. Actually, once this is tight, it should be okay. Okay. So, these are the screws. We're just gonna, this is nice because it has 4 screws instead of just the 1, like the original key had. So. Okay. Key feels tight. All right, that's what the key looks like. All the buttons feel good. That's it. All right, guys, check it out. 2 brand new keys for 14 bucks. You can't beat it. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye.